If a CEO asks you for the ROI and you don't know what that means, you've lost their respect before the meeting even starts. Today, we are mastering 50 essential business acronyms to transform you from an absolute beginner to a corporate pro. This is part 1 of our Ultimate Business series. Let's start with the big bosses. Number 1. CEO. Chief Executive Officer. The top boss making the final decisions. Number 2. CFO. Chief Financial Officer. The master of the company's money. Number 3. MD. Managing Director. The person handling daily operations. Number 4. HR. Human Resources. The team that hires, trains, and takes care of employees. Number 5. VIP. Very important person. Your most crucial clients or guests. Let's look at money, taxes, and finance. Number 6. ROI. Return on investment. Did your money make a profit? Number 7. VAT. Value added tax. The consumption tax added to products. Number 8. GDP. Gross domestic product. The total value of everything a country produces. Number 9. GNP. Gross national product. Total economic output, including citizens abroad. Number 10. P&L. Profit and loss. The statement showing if a business is surviving or thriving. Number 11. APR. Annual percentage rate. The yearly interest rate you pay on loans. Number 12. RRP. Recommended retail price. The price a manufacturer suggests for an item. Number 13. COD. Cash on delivery. Paying only when the product reaches your hand. Number 14. LC. Letter of credit. A guarantee from a bank to secure international payments. Number 15. PA. Per annum. A formal way to say per year, usually used for salaries. Moving on to daily office and email communication. Number 16. ASAP. As soon as possible. When a task needs to be finished immediately. Number 17. FYI. For your information. Used in emails to share data without requiring a response. Number 18. FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Quick answers for your clients. Number 19. CV. Curriculum vitae. Your professional resume to land a corporate job. Number 20. AOB. Any other business. The final part of a meeting agenda for miscellaneous topics. Number 21. PR. Public relations. Managing how the public views your brand. Number 22. AGM. Annual General Meeting. The yearly gathering of company shareholders. Number 23. POS. Point of sale. The exact place where a retail transaction happens. Number 24. TOIL. Time off in lieu. Taking a paid day off instead of getting paid overtime. Number 25. OTE. On-target earnings. Your base salary plus expected bonuses or commissions. Now for strategy and business analysis. Number 26. SWOT. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. A tool to audit a business strategy. Number 27. PEST. Political, social, economic, technological. Analyzing external business environments. Number 28. USP. Unique selling point. What makes your product different from all competitors? Number 29. M&A. Mergers and acquisitions. When two companies join together or one buys the other. Number 30. R&D. Research and development. Creating new features and innovation. Number 31. TQM. Total quality management. Continuous improvement across an entire company. Number 32. PLC. Public Limited Company. A company whose shares are traded on the stock exchange. Number 33. MBO. Management buyout. When a company's internal executives purchase the business. Number 34. CBD. Central Business District. The commercial heart of a major city. Number 35. PPP. Purchasing power parity. Comparing economic wealth across different currencies. Next up is operations, training and technology. Number 36. JIT. Just in time. Manufacturing goods exactly when needed to cut inventory costs. Number 37. LIFO. Last in, first out. An inventory method where the newest items are sold first. Number 38. ISP. Internet Service Provider. The company providing your office connectivity. Number 39. SET. Secure Electronic Transaction. Safe payment protocols for e-commerce. Number 40. NPD. New Product Development. The complete process of bringing a fresh item to market. Number 41. TNA. Training Needs Analysis. Figuring out what skills your team lacks. Number 42. CPD. Continuing Professional Development. Constantly upgrading your skills to keep your job. Number 43. NVQ. National Vocational Qualification. Practical, work-based certifications. Number 44. O&M. Organisation and methods. Improving structural corporate efficiency. Number 45. ICC. International Chamber of Commerce. The rulemaker for global trade. Finally, let's close our loop with the trickiest ones. Number 46. PAYE. Pay as you earn. Tax taken automatically from your paycheck. Number 47. RSI. Repetitive strain injury. Pain caused by typing at your office desk all day. Number 48. ESOP. Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Corporate shares given to employees. Number 49. FOB. Free on board. The exact point where shipping liability changes hands. And finally, number 50. IOU. IOU. This is the one absolute beginners get wrong. They think the first letter stands for a word like international or internal. It doesn't. It literally stands for the letters IOU. A casual document confirming a financial debt. Now that you know the basics, you are ready for part 2, where we break down the advanced vocabulary real CEOs use to close multi-million-dollar deals.